Because by using the form only, you are sending the data from front end to back end, everything you are doing. Is it clear, ma? By using these things only, we are making that one. So, what do you mean by form? What is the use case of form? Yeah, what do you mean by form? What is the use case of form? Hmm? It is used to collecting the data. It is used to collecting the data. That is nothing but a form. Now, and one more point, if I want to send any data from the front end to back end, we can send by using the form only. Now you can say you are registration, you are doing registrations, right? Login you are doing. Everything is we are getting the form only, that everything. Now for example, login page, sign in page, everything is a form only. Login page, sign in page, everything is a form only. So how to create that form? First of all, what are the things we have in the form? So, wait, word. Yeah, guys. Now, just we will create one basic form, one simple form. In a simple form, what are the details you have? Just tell me one point. What are the details we have? For example, you are what you are doing. You are creating one job application. Job application. In the job application, what are the fields we need to enter? Just tell me those things. First one, name, contact. Next, mail. Next, address. Okay. Next, education. Hmm? CGPA. CGPA. Next, age. Okay. Next, LinkedIn. Next, uh, skills. Okay. Gender, experience, resume. Hmm. Minimum information. That's it. Huh? Minimum information is enough. At the last, what we are doing? At the last, we are using the submit button to fill the details. Now here, everywhere, insert shapes. Yeah, guys. Now, this is nothing but a one common form we have. This is nothing but a one common form we have. Yeah, This is nothing but a one common form. In this, what we have: name, contact, mail, address, education, everything is there. Now in this only we will make the some more modifications. What type of modification means? If I want to see the education, it will not like that, right? We are creating the drop down. Drop down. Yes or no? We will create one drop down only. Now same like that, if I want to upload a resume file, we will upload. We will upload a file. Next, experience. Experience, how we are giving that bar we are giving, right? Yes or no? Bars like that. Now in that what we can do? Gender. Gender also we can give like that. Huh? Either we can give drop down or else for selecting purpose also we can give anything, fine. So here we will write here what I am writing, it is a future modifications, not now modifications, future modifications. There we are moving that one. So drop down or selecting, drop down or selecting. If anything I need to change, yeah, enough this much only, right? Or else anything we will change there. Max to max drop downs, so selecting parts, those are only, right? Apart from nothing is there. Now this is nothing but a one form, basic individual forms. These all are the basic form. Now in this, how to create a form? What is the use case of this form? So form, it is used to collect the user information. It is used to collect the user information. Form is used to collect the user information. It contains input fields where user will enter the details. That's it only, right? Everything is input field only, right? Empty blanks only, right? Everywhere. What they are doing there, user will entering the data there. User is entering the data there. Now, what are the tags we are using? Those all are, we will call it as a form elements. What are the tags we are using inside the form? Everything we will call it as a form elements. Form elements. So, what are the form elements we have means? First one is nothing but a form. First one is nothing but a form, is nothing but a form element. To create a form, first we need to use the form tag. Now, second one is nothing but a label. Now, what do you mean by this label? Means if you observe here, the name, here you can check the name, contact, mail, address, education, CGPA. This all if I want to give means by using the label, it is possible, ma. By using the label, it is possible. Sir, why we need to use the label, sir? You are going for the shopping, right? Yes or no? If you want to purchase any shirt or t-shirt or shorts, what you will see there? Yeah, size, price, size, price, quality, MRP. Everything where present? Tag only, right? That is only we will call it label chodra. When we're going there, check the label. We will call, right? We are asking also label is not there. If the label is not there, you will go and touch that particular product. No, right? Because we don't know the cost of the product. How can I take? If the quality is good also, without knowing the cost, we will not touch that product, right? Now, same like that, just imagine if the name is not here, ma. Now, what is the relative of that field? What I need to enter inside that? Can I specifically mentioning like that? Here you need to enter this thing only. I can enter mobile number. True only. Education. true only. Gender, true only. Aadhaar card number, PAN card number, anything I can enter, right? Because we are not specifying like that. This thing only you need to enter here. So due to that reason, we are using the label. Label is used to give the name for the input field. Label is used to give the name for the input fields. Is it clear, ma? Now, for example, this one only we will call it as an input field. This one we will call it as a input field. Now, label is giving the name for that only, right? Because without label, can I enter any data here? Yes, we can enter. Doesn't mean we will not enter, but we don't know what data we need to enter. Due to that reason, label we need to use, ma. Now, third one, that empty field is there, right? To create this one, we are using a input field. We are using the input. To create that empty field, we are using the input tag. Is it clear, ma? Next, fourth one, the address you are seeing, right? Address. Address should be in the small block only, huh? No, right? The size should be big, right? For that case, we are using the text area. We are using the text area. In that cases, we are using the text area. Text area is used to give the address format. It should be big in the size. That's it, ma. Now, fifth one. To create a drop downs, we are using the select tag. To create a drop downs, we are using a select tag. Now, if we are creating the drop downs means inside that we need to provide the options. Yes or no, when you click on the drop down, they are giving you now for suppose for any job registration, you can check education only. When you click on that, they are giving the n number of colleges, right? Those all are options for you. Select your option, we will tell. Same like that, if I want to create options, we need to use the option tag. We need to use the option tag. Now, what do we call categories? You know what do you mean by categories? Yes or no, right? No, I don't know. What do you mean by category? Groups only, right? Category is nothing but a groups only. Yes or no, right? Now you can see whenever you are going for the Zomato, Zepto you will use, right? Zepto, Instamart, Blinkit. There we have option called category. When you click on that, how many types of categories you are presenting? So many, right? Cold drinks, beverages, ice creams, pulses, lays, snacks, chips, वगैरह items. And next what we have? Vegetables, fruits, fruits, frozen items. Yes or no? These all are the having the separate categories. If you click on that particular category, what will happen? That group of items will open, right? Yes or no, Ray? If you click on that particular category, what will happen? Group of items. Most probably, if you can see for shopping also, men, women, kids, home appliances, electronics, they're having all the options are there. When you click on that particular option, what will happen? If I'm selecting men, all the men categories came, right? Traditional, formal, nightwears, shorts, t-shirts, shoes. Yes or no? Same like that. If I click on the woman categories, it means group we are making, right? Same like that. If I want to make any groups, if I want to make any groups, at that time we will use the opt group. So this one we will use in the education, ma. This one we will use the education. Why? Because education having the BTech also there, degree also there. Branches are say different, right? Degree means BBA, BCom, BSc. Next what we have, right? BCom General, BCom Electronics, something, etc. etc. Things. The same like that. BTech, AIML, DS, Mechanical, ECE, Civil, Triple E, like that. Now, what will happen if you normally engage? What will happen? It will mix and you will get confused which is which one. So we will make the groups for that by using these tags. Is it clear, all of you? Next one. If I want to create a, yeah, if I want to create a, what do we call group? Sorry, if I want to create a border for that forms, if you check, Borders are there, right? If online forms you fill up, open, beautiful border will come. So for that borders, we are using the opt group. Sorry, field set. Field set. For that cases, we are using the field set. Now after that ninth one, now if I want to give the name for the form, at that time we will use a legend tag. At that time we are using the legend tag. These all are the HTML form elements. These all are the HTML form elements we are using for creating the form. Is it clear, all of you? What are the things we have? Form, label, input, text area, select, option, opt group, field set, and the legend. These all are things. Apart from that, we have attributes also there, ma. So apart from these things, we have other attributes also there. We will discuss those attributes also. Is it clear? Shall we create one form now? Not only same form, this one only. This one only we will create. To give the name for the form, ma. You will see now. Everything you can see. Don't worry. Now same this form only we will create, ma. Okay, we will not change anything. This form only we will create as it is. So where is your batch? 2 p.m. batch. Now here you can check to create a form which tag we need to use. To create a form which tag we need to use, Ray? Form tag we need to use, ma. To create a form we need to use a form tag. So we are creating the form means we will create one border also. Yes or no? So we will wrap that border inside this. So field set. Okay, ma, if I create the field set, if I run this, see here, I am getting one simple border, right? Field set is used to create a common border for the elements. Field set is used to create a common border for the elements. Remember this point. It might be heading tags, it might be articles, it might, sorry, articles not complete, right? It may be heading tags, paragraph tags, p tag, formatting tags, anything, including form. Just it is used to create a one common border. It is used to create a one common border. Is it clear, ma? This is nothing but a field set. Now, if I want to give the name for that, what we are doing, for that case, we need to use inside the legend tag. Okay, legend, what we are creating job application only, right? Job application. If you check here, that name will become between the border. The name will become between the border. Is it clear, ma? The name will become between the borders. For that case, for this usage, we are using the legend tag. For this usage, we are using the legend tag. Is it clear, guys, all of you? Yeah. Now, next one, again, we will create a form, our form, normal form only. There is no change. So, inside the form, what is the first tag I need to use, ma? First, I need to write the name, right? For the name, and what I need to use? Label. What I need to use? Label. Inside the label, I'm writing the name as a name. Okay, ma? Label as a name I am giving. Now, after that, I'm using here input tag. After that, I'm giving as a input tag. If we observe here, name column. Now you can check name came right. Along with that, I'm getting the input field. Same like that. What is the next one I need to use? Again, label. Inside that, email. Now after that I need to use the input field again. If you check here, it is also coming like this only, but it is not looking good properly. So if I reduce this one, see here, it will go this side. If I'm zooming completely, it is coming like this. If I reducing this one, it is going like this. Now tell me, these are a inline level elements, a inline block, what it is? Label is a inline element. Input field is a inline block level element. Okay, ma. Label is a inline level element, but input field is a inline block level element. Is it clear, guys? Now I want it should be in the second line. So at that time, what I will do, I will use the break tag. I will use the break tag. Now you can check. It is coming down only directly. BR is nothing but a user to breaking the line. BR is used to break the line. That's it. Is it clear, all of you? Yep. Now again here I will use the BR. Here again I will use the BR. How many BRs you will use, that many BRs it will break. Ma. It means that many lines it will break. If you use the 3 BRs, 3 lines. 4 BRs, 4 lines it will break. If you use the one, only one line it will break. Is it clear, all of you? Yeah. What is the next field I need to use? Box level element. What is the difference between both? Inline versus inline block level. Power asking. Okay. Inline and inline block level. Have you attended the elements concept Veena power? Veena power, how many classes you attended till now? Okay, at that time you're not getting that one, huh? Okay, fine, leave. The thing ma, inline level element is it is occupying the only content width. Inline level means it will occupy only the content width. Inline block level means, what did you mean? Means it is a combination of both inline and the block level elements. Now, inline block level means inline is used to the, it will occupy the only content width. Block inline block level is combination of the both inline and the block level. If the space is sufficient there, it should be adjusted there only, ma. Or else it will be coming down. That is nothing but a inline. Block level means where we can adjust the height and width of the element. That is nothing and a block. It is a combination. Input field is an inline block level element. Why? Because it will adjust, we can adjust the height and width also. If the space is not sufficient for the input field, it will be coming down. Is it clear, Veena? Yeah. Anwar, we will discuss. Those all are the attributes. Attributes I am not discussing right now. I'm discussing about the form elements. That one only we will discuss. When I came there at that time, we will discuss that one. I know that you guys already know those things. These all are just take it as a revision class. Some people are there who don't know those things. I need to teach them also. All my students only. Is it clear, guys? Who knows? Very good. Very good. Just take it as a revision class. Who don't know these things, just serious on this class. Yeah, guys. Now label if you are using. Okay. Yeah, it is coming down, right? Now what is the third field we need to write here? Mail ID. So again we need to use the label. Inside that I'm writing the mail or email also you can write. Sorry, contact. Huh? Contact number. Till now I didn't align any fields, ma. I'm not aligning any field there. Just I'm using the BR tag. Just I'm breaking the lines. That's it. Okay, you are asking about how to align the. First, we will know how to design that one. After that, we will go for the proper one, ma. First, we need to understand at a time రెండు పడవల మీద ఒకే కాలు వేయకూడదు. రెండు పడవల మీద రెండు కాళ్ళు వద్దు మనకు. ఒక పడవ మీద వెళ్దాం తర్వాత ఇంకో పడవ మీదకి వెళ్దాం. Properly aligned. This one, it will not, ma. It will automatically adjust. Now you will see the alignment there, how it will go. Okay, so after that, I'm using the input field again. So here I will use the BR tag. So here I will use the BR tag. So two BR tags I'm using. Now you can check here. It is coming the contact number. What is the next field I have? Address. What is the next field, ma? Address. So label address. Label address. What I have? Input not here. We need to use a text area. Why we need to use a text area means the height of that one is different, ma. If you observe here, any data I will type inside, it is going forward only, right? But whatever the data here I will typing, it is going downward. Is it clear, ma? This is the use case of text area. This is use case of text area. Now what is the next one, ma? BR and BR. What is the next one? Education. Education means what I need to create? For education, what we need to create, ma? Drop down only, right? So simply what I will do here, label education I'm using. So to create a drop down, we need to use the select tag. We need to use the select tag. Now inside the select tag, we need to give the options only, right? For that case, we are using the option tag. So first let's BTech groups ECE, CSC, AIML. All are the options only, ma. EC also option only, CS is also option only, AML is option only. Now what is the next one? DS. Data science is also option only. Okay, guys. Now after that, we will go for the degree one. Options, option tag. Degree means BSc, BBA, B.com. Sir, take our Java Spring Boot. Java Spring Boot. Like that, any course is there in BTech? That one will get in the skills, Ray. Skills I will add there. Don't worry about it. Yeah. Sridhar, MCA. Option MCA. Now, if you observe here, these all are the options only, right? Now you can check here. I'm getting all the options here. I'm getting all the options, right? Now here, what are the degree courses? What are the graduation what are the degree? What are the degree and the BTech? Okay. What are the degree courses? What are the BTech courses? What are the post graduation courses? Post graduation is also there, right? What is that? MCA is a post graduation course. Degree and BTech is a graduation courses. If you observe here, now how many categories can I divide this one? Can I divide in two categories or three? If I go for the graduation and post graduation, two categories. No, sir, I want to divide in multiple parts. So I would call BTech degree post graduation. Yes or no? So if I want to make that one, okay, BSc also I need to add a BSc done right. So I will divide into the three parts. What are they? BTech, degree, post graduation. So for that case, what I need to do till these four are the BTech courses only. Yes or no? These four are the BTech course only. Control X. I will use the opt group. I will use the opt group. What is the use case of this opt group? Means it is making all the BTech courses in the one group. Now I will paste this one here. Same like that. Degree one, opt group. Control V. Same like that. Graduation one. Now you can check here, ma. If you observe here, I am in between. I am getting the empty fields, right? Empty spaces. Those data how to fill means by using the attributes we can fill those data, ma. When we are discussing about the attributes, we will see how to fill that data. Okay. Till now, just observe. Now these three are the one group. These three are the one group. This one is the one group, right? Grouping done now. Drop down. How to create a drop down, ma? From where you disconnected, ma? Vijaya, from where you disconnected? Input tag. After that, I'm using only two tags only. Text area and select. That's it. Now you can see for the address. For the address purpose, I'm using the text area, ma, because it will give us some more width. Next one, to create the drop down, we need to use the select tag. Inside that, when I'm creating the drop downs, I need to give the options for the select tag. At that time, I will use the option tag. So if I want to make the groups of that option, I will use the opt groups. That's it only we discussed till now. Yeah, guys, to create the drop down, which tag we are using? Select a tag. If I want to give the options, if I want to create a groups of that options, opt group. Till now clear, all of you. Yeah. Now, next what we have? CGP, age, LinkedIn, select everything. Okay. What is the next one? After the select, I need to use the BR tag, label, CGPA. After that, I need to use the input tag only, na? So, BR tag. So, label, age. That one also input tag only. After that, I will use the BR tag. Next one, Ray. Label, LinkedIn skills, gender. LinkedIn. Next one, again input tag only I need to use. BR. Next, Ray. Skills. Input tag again here also I will use BR. Next, label, gender. Here also I will use the input tag only to enter the gender. BR tag. Experience, resume. Array, I will use Ray. Those all are the type values, ma. When I will discuss that one, I will use. Till now, I am discussing only the form elements only. I will use. Hold on. Have some patience. So, label. Next one. What is the next one? Right after gender. Experience resume. Experience input field. BR. Label resume. Input field. Everything we entered, Ray. Who will add date of birth? No need a date of birth. Huh? Label DOB date of birth. For that also input field. After everything completed, what is the last one? Button tag we need to use. Here I need to write the submit. Now you can check. This is a form which we are discussing now. If you can observe here, name is there, email is there, contact number, address, education is a drop down, beautiful drop down we created. CGPA, age, LinkedIn skills, gender, experience, resume, date of birth, submit. Okay, ma? Everything is clear. But here, if you observe, everything is the input field only except this education. Except this education, everything is a input field only. So, what we need to do? We need to do some modifications, right? We need to do the modifications only. Yes or no? What are the modifications we need to do? Where we need to use the which one? It means types. What do you mean that? Types of that. So, we will discuss about the input attributes. So, here if you can observe here, next we need to change the types only, ma. So, here we have a input tag is there, right? Especially for that we have so many attributes are there. So, we will discuss about the input attributes first. Input attributes. First one is a text. Oh, sorry, ma, not text, type. First one is the type. Now, what is the use case of this type? Means it is telling which type of input field is that. That day where we are using the type attribute, ma. Previously, anywhere we used, where we used, we used means where we used, huh? Ordered list, unordered list. There we are telling type only, right? In which type of order you are coming. Same like that. What is the type of the field? What is the type of the input field we are using? That is nothing but a type. Now, second one, placeholder. Now, placeholder. What is a placeholder means? I will show you the example, ma. If you observe here anything they entered labels, huh? Now, how to get to know there? I need to enter this one only. Inside the fields, they are getting some data, right? When I will start typing there, it will be disappear. So if I want to give the like that data, we need to use the placeholders. You can check here, email address or phone numbers, they are giving inside the data, right? If I want to give that type of data, we need to use the placeholders. Okay, ma? Now third one. Third one required. What do you mean by required? Yeah. What do you mean by required? In general terms, guys. Mandatory. In the job application, some fields are mandatory, right? Must have marking, must fill. Okay, ma? In job applications, required field is mandatory because name is mandatory there, gender, email ID, password. Yes or no, ma? Education. resume. Everything is mandatory only, right? So here also required is required means this field is mandatory. Required means this field is mandatory. Now fourth one is nothing but a read only. Read only. If you can, what we call pronounce that one read only. What do you mean that ma? What is the meaning of that word read only? Not to redirect, no. Redirect, not to read. Who is speaking right here? Not to reading, not to reading. Rewrite, okay. Not to rewrite, okay. Next. Everybody are visiting museums right here. Everybody visit at least one museum. No, Purana Vastu Seka in Telugu. If you observe there, what they will do, don't touch, only read. Don't touch, only read. What do you mean that? There we can't do anything, just only reading only. Same like that. In such places are there in the forms also. If you're filling the job application also, what they will do, some default data they will only give there. For suppose what type of data they will give means what we call examination date. TCS on is there, right? If you apply for the TCS etc things, sometimes what will happen, they are fixing only one date only. You should write the exam on that day only. Is there any option is there to select that one? No, right? But you can see that what is the date of that exam. You can see that particular field they're having the this type of date. This date we need to go in the exam, but you can't modify that one. How to do that one means by using the read only. By using the read only. Is it clear? Ma? We can't edit that one. So next one. Can't be edit, only access to read. Yes, yes, everything is right only. Can't change anything. Okay. Now, fourth one, fifth one is nothing but a disabled. Is nothing but a disabled. What do you mean by disabled, ma? What do you mean by disabled? Which we can't access? Yes or no? Which we can't access, that is nothing but disabled, right? True or false, way? For example, if you go for any Amazon, ma, okay? Not only go for Amazon, simply you can go for the Instamart and Zepto. Most probably you will use, right? Weekly 2 to 3 times or else daily, yeah. At least 2 to 3 times you will use, right? Zepto weekly. So here, some products are there, regular products. If you can check sold out. Have you ever seen that one? You never seen, huh? Sold out you can see, right? Means the product is not available. What is the color of that? Red color. Sold out color, no, that product. How it is displaying? Some fade color, right? Blur color, gray color, some fade color. But remaining one, bright, which we can access. Same like that. Here, what will happen if I want to do anything like that? It should be displaying the UI, but user can't access that one. At that cases, we are using the disable. Okay, ma? Is it? We will see that one also. Now, sixth one, hidden. What do you mean by hidden? Gray out. Yes, grayed out. What do you mean by hidden? Dagadmal dandagal, right? Yes or no? Hiding, hide and seek. What do you mean by hide and seek? One person will go and hide, one person will be searching for that another fellow. Hidden. If I want to hide any data from the UI at that time, I will use the hidden ma. That's it. If I want to hide any data from the UI, I will use the hidden. Next one. So seventh one is nothing but a selected. Seventh one is nothing but a selected. Now, what is the use case of this selected means If I want to select a default values, for example, drop down you can check ma. So many values are there, right? But I want to select only one thing only. Yeah, guys. If I want to select any default value, at that time I will use the selected. At that time I will use the selected. Now eighth one, min. What do you mean by min ma? Min. Minimum only, right? Yes or no? Minimum only. Here if we can check the experience. Experience are there, right? 0 to 3. What do you mean that? Yes, ma, experience. Minimum experience should be 0. Maximum experience should be 3. For that case, we are using the ninth one is nothing but a max. Min and max. Now, 10th one. Min length. Min length. Now, what do you mean by min length, ma? Min length. Minimum length, right? Yes or no? What is the minimum length of a name? Name. For name, what is the minimum length? Minimum length. Least. 3, right? 4. Ah. My name is Ram only. 3 only, re. Okay? 3 letters. Is there any name with 2 letters? Don't tell shortcuts. PK, RK, SK. Om. Okay, Om is fine. 2 letters only we will call. But minimum should be 3, right? Minimum should be 3. If you can check also, if any website you will go, they will write, if you write 2 letters only, they will minimum should be 3 letters. Yes or no? Minimum should be 3 letters they will tell, right? If you Om also we can do, right? We can't do anything for Om. Who anybody is here, with the name of Om? We can't do anything for that fellow. They need to use the second name. Last name is there, right? Or else entire name they need to use. We can't do anything. Okay, minimum length should be 3 characters. 3. Shri single name. Ali. Om Puri. Okay, guys. Now just it will use it to calculate the length of that. Minimum length means minimum we need to give the that many characters there. Okay. Now 11th one is nothing but a max length. 11th one is nothing but a max length. Now what do you mean by this max length? Maximum length. What is the maximum length? 30 characters. Up to we can't say store that much in database. Re. Minimum and maximum we need to set. Minimum is 3 characters. Maximum is the 30. My guess max 30 is enough because after 30 characters no one is there. I know highest is 16 characters only. Re. Huh? In Telugu is that much is there. In English we can calculate, na? That's it. I know only 16 characters, highest. Is there any name is there above 16 characters? Huh? Pratyusha Hulpama. PT Ushana. I don't know, re. Leave appa. Okay, 30 characters should be there na maximum. Uh-huh. Okay, guys. Max length 30 means the character should be maximum should be 30, minimum should be 3. That's it. Is it clear, ma? More example is password. Password we can take, right? Minimal length should be 8 characters. Maximum should be 16 characters. For that case also we are using the min length and the max length only. Now next one. 12th one is nothing but a pattern. 12th one is nothing but a pattern. చిన్న స్వామి ముత్తు స్వామి ముల్లు గోపాల అయ్యర్. Ali Ali. Okay. Now 12th one is nothing but a pattern. Now what do you mean by this pattern, ma? Password having patterns, right? You know that? What is the patterns? Huh? One uppercase, one lowercase, one number, one special characters. At least these four should be there. Complete length is 8 to 16 in between. That is a pattern only, right? If I want to create those type of patterns, we are using the pattern attribute. Is it clear, ma? If I want to create the patterns for the password, we are using the pattern attributes. Now, 13th one. Like example, numbers. Is it pattern or pattern? Both are the same only, right? Spelling wrong, ah. I know only one spelling, re. ERN, okay. I know only one spelling only. Okay. Speed typing, na? So it may be mistaken. Sorry, guys. My bad. Okay. Next one. What till now? What we completed? Type placeholder required read only disable hidden selected min max length pattern. Next one is the value. Next one is the value. What is the use case of this value? Means if I want to give any default data for the input field. If I want to give the any default data for the input field, at that time I will use the value. Next one, 14th one, ID. 14th one, ID. Now ID means you know that uniquely identification for that input field we can give. So 15th one is nothing but a name. 15th one is nothing but a name. It means we need to give the name for the input field, not a label, name. Why we need to use this name means everybody at least started backend. Everybody. Not at started. Started or not started. In college times, at least one line of program you remember. One line. I am not asking the entire thing. Just assigning the value to the variable. You know or don't know? Everybody. No, sir. Assigning the value to the variable. Everybody know, right? How many are Java? Java race. Python? Remaining one, re. Huh? Why you are not raising the hand? Java, na? Everybody Java. Okay. Class లో మళ్ళీ చేస్తాం. సరే జాగ్రత్త. Yeah, guys. Now in Java, how you are assigning the values? Int a equals to 10. Assigning the value only. Now Python people a equals to 10. For .NET also same thing, right? Atish, a equals to 10 only, my guess. Int a equals to 10. Yes, sir. Okay. Now if you observe carefully there, same int a equals to 10, a equals to 10, int a equals to 10. Again, I'm writing a equals to 20. A equals to 20. For Java people, what you will write system.out.println of a. Python people print of a. Now same. C people also printf of a. What output we will get? 10 or 20? Int a equals to 10, a equals to 20. System.out.println of A. A equals to 10 for Python people. A equals to 10. A equals to 20. Print of A. For C people, int A equals to 10. A equals to 20. Print F of A. What output we will get? 20 only, right? 20 at 10 are? Huh? Semicolon missing. Add semicolons also, then. I'm not a computer, right? So I'm a human. Mistakes will be happen by the humans only. Okay. So 20 only, right? Here what is happening? Value is overwriting or variable is overwriting. Value only overwriting done right here. Same like that. If I want to send the data to the backend, just imagine you are creating one job application. Okay. This example I will read it. Hold. So here, how many people are there in the class? At least 20 people are there. 3, 7, 8, 11, 13, 15, 20, 21. Including me, 22 people are there in the class. So we all 22 are what we are doing, applying for the same. For everybody having 22 applications. Online. Online, we all are applying 22 at a time. For everybody, they are creating the new application. They are giving take this is for you, this is for you, this is for you, like that. Only once only they are creating, right? Yes or no, ma? Only once only they are creating. But how many members data they are storing? 22 members. How they are storing? How they get to know? By using the name attribute. By using the name attribute. Like how means I created int A equals to 10. A is nothing but a name. Value is nothing but a 10. Same like that. We are creating our name. Now you can see they are using the name field. Name equals to my name. I need to enter, right? Ram Kumar. Here if you observe, name is that particular name. Value is the Ram Kumar. In that name, value is going and storing. Now again somebody came called Ravi. What will happen? Name variable will change or Ravi will change. Next Priya. Priya will replace it. For that case, we are using the name attribute. This is a one scenario. Second scenario also there. What is that means? Such places the data will be displayed on the UI. It means on the URL. What are the data you will enter? If you get submit that data, the data will be get displayed on the URL. In that case also name will use. Okay, ma? Those everythings are there. We will discuss that one. Now 16th one, multiple. 16th one, multiple. Now, what is the use case of this multiple means? Hello? కూర్చొని 10 minutes లో క్లాస్ లో ఉన్నా నేను. Yeah, guys. Now multiple. What is the use case of this multiple means? If I want to select the multiple files, if I want to select the multiple files, at that time I will use this multiple keyword. At that time I will use this multiple keyword. What are the things I discussed here? Type, placeholder, required, read only, disable, hidden, selected, min, max, min length, max length, pattern, value, id, name, multiple. And is there anything missed? ID, value, read only is there, disabled, done. That is different one. It will not comes under the attributes. Yeah. Now 17th one, autofocus. 17th one, autofocus. What do you mean by this autofocus? Means when you read, now you can check here, if you can, page is loading, right? Any field is focused. No, right? If I want to particularly focus this email field, at that time if I refresh also, the field will be get focused. That is nothing but a auto focused. That is nothing but a auto focused. Is it clear, all of you? Now 18th one. So many things are there, Step. 18th one is nothing but a step. What is the use case of this step means? How can mm, here step is used to jumping the values more. Here step is used to jumping the values. If I give the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If I give the 2, 1, 3, 5, 7, like that, it will start. Skipping the values for we are using the step. Now 19th one. Size. 19th one is nothing but a size. Size is used to give the width, increase the width of the input field. Size is used to increase the width of the input field. Is it clear, all of you? These all are the input attributes. These all are the input attributes. Now, if I will discuss only the type, again type is having the at least 14 values. Again type is having the 14 values. Okay guys, I know that. Name one more time. Yeah, Pawan, I will explain. Yeah guys, we'll discuss each and every attribute, not now. Today we will end this here only. Again we will discuss in the next session. Okay guys, Power I will explain for you one day. Wait a second. One more point guys. Next class will be held on Monday. Okay. Next class will be held on the Monday. It means October 6th. Okay, ma. From tomorrow onwards, you can take the holidays. I am only giving because I am leaving from here to my hometown. అంత సీన్ లేదు అక్కడ. అంత సీన్ లేదు అక్కడ. 6th October మా. Yeah, guys. Power name attribute, right? You are asking. Yeah, thank you. Same to you. One more point, guys. For all of you are celebrating Dashera, happy Dashera for you. Thank you so much and stay safe. Okay, I know that తొండ్రోళ్ళు ఉంటారు. So stay safe at your homes. Again, the class will be 6th only, 6th only. Yeah, bye bye, Ali. కోడి పండ్ల. Yeah, happy Dashera Saho. కోడి పందాల. That is Sankranti re, not no. Yeah, happy Dashera Sushil again. Yeah, 6th only. Yeah. Power you can see name attribute I am telling, right? Here name attribute, for example, you can check here, ma. Here I have a n number of fields are there. Name field is there, email field is there, contact number, address is these all are things are there, right? Now here what will happen when I enter the data, when I submit that one, I need to store the data somewhere else. It means I need to send to the backend. So at that time I can't say individual things, right? I need to attach some data with that. So at that time, so I will use the name attribute for that. We'll discuss, I will detailedly show you that one. It is the data will be stored in the format of object, everything I will show you. Yeah, Asafal, thank you. Same to you for you guys. Yeah, guys. Any doubts in the today's session? No means tata, bye bye. We will meet in the again Monday session. You can leave. Yeah, Suhil, Sushil. Sorry, ma, I can't. So here we have a Google Classroom to contact through there only. We can't have access to create WhatsApp groups. Yeah, Darshan, thank you. Same to you. Yeah, online people, no doubt means you can leave. That is not my opinion. Right? Do whatever you want. Yeah, thank you, Rakshita. Submit button once show, sir. Okay. Okay. Which link, re? Yeah, this much is enough to start the project. You can start, Sahil. Already my guys uploaded, right? Saturday, what we discussed, Ray? Mark you tag. That one not uploaded. Oh, I forgot, Rise. Today I updated the images in the classroom. Just check it once. Okay, I updated all the images there. So I will update these notes and that notes today only. Yeah. Yeah, okay. Sudhir, I can upload. Sorry, I forgot that one. Yeah, Gopesh, I see this one. This is good only. Yeah, it is good one only. Logo as my name. Where, Ray? Abba. Why, Ray? That much? Sudhir. Okay, I will check this one, Sridhar. My guess it is looking good only while you are writing the code. Fine, it was. We will check again. Sir, div tag how to use in the form? You can directly use Ray. Normally, we are using the label and input field is there, right? Both you will wrap inside the div tag. It is fine. If you wrap like that means no need to use the break tag also for you. If you can wrap. Yeah. किसका? कम करना है? मार्क्यू टैग का हाइट कम कर दो फिर मार्क्यू टैग में दिया होगा हाइट. हाँ. कट जा रहा है क्यों कट रहा है? Div tag is a big concept for development. No ma, it is just a container. That's it. Div is nothing but a one container. Why Ray this much? I removed. I know that. I will keep again.
टेबल लिया, उसमें ये अलग कॉलम है, कॉलम है, कॉलम है, सेम कॉलम पे ये आसपास नहीं आ रहा है, ये इसके नीचे आ जा रहा है। यहाँ पे अगर मैं चाहूँ इसको यहाँ करने को, तो
यार ये तो टीडी यूज करना है ना तुम्हें।
टी यूज किया ना मैंने,
हाँ
टीडी यूज किया,
हाँ
उधर आया। ये अलग अलग मैं इसमें टीडी यूज कर रहा हूँ, तो अलग अलग कॉलम्स बन रहे हैं।
हाँ।
उसको फिर एक साथ लाना है एक पास में।
पास में लाने तो उधर और टीडीज क्रिएट कर दो। हाँ, कितना टीडीज क्रिएट करेगा वो कितना इक्वली डिवाइड होता जाएगा ना तुम्हें। लास्ट में तुम क्या कर सकते हो, फिर मर्ज कर दो उनको। हम्म। फिर टीडीज क्रिएट करना, बीच में थोड़ा थोड़ा काली टीडी दे दो, फिर उसके बाद ये यूज कर दो, बन जाएगा।
नहीं ला रहे तो
हाँ,
नहीं
यूज में कैसे लेना मतलब तुम्हें।
डाल,
हाँ, अकाउंट्स डाल दो, हो जाएगा, तुम उसको कुछ चिंता नहीं है।
कम करना है मतलब तो उसके
हाँ, विड्थ डाल दो यहीं पर, देखो। सो विड्थ आएगा माँ।